Hello everyone. Welcome back to E-Classes of Statistics Standard 11th. In this video, we are going to solve sums related to range. We have studied the formula of range, that is R is equals to XH minus XL. So now let's begin 4.1 from your textbook and sum number 1 of 4.1. Let's read the question. The following data refer to the heights in the centimeters of 10 students of a class. Find range and coefficient of range. So here you have to find range and coefficient of range of the height of students. Here the data is given. Data is given in ungrouped form. It's ungrouped data. So in ungrouped data, you have to see which is the highest observation. Here the data is 162, 145, 170, 181, 167, 151, 175, 185, 169, 156. Here the highest observation is 185 and lowest observation is 145. So as per the formula R is equals to XH minus XL, it will be 185 minus 145 and that is 40 centimeter. So your range is 40 centimeter and coefficient of range, formula for coefficient of range is XH minus XL upon XH plus XL, that is 185 minus 145 upon 185 plus 145, that gives you 40 upon 330 and 40 upon 330 gives you 0.12. Let's read sum number 2. A bus company has 77 buses for traveling in the city. The information of number of passengers in bus on a particular day at a particular time is given below. Find the range and coefficient of range of number of passengers. So here number of passengers and number of buses is given. It's a discrete data sum. Here you have to see in the observation which is the highest observation and which is the lowest observation. Highest observation is 37, lowest observation is 2. So according to the formula R is equals to XH minus XL, it will be 37 minus 2, that gives 35 passengers. So range is 35 passengers. Now we have to find coefficient of range. Formula for coefficient of range is R upon XH plus XL, that is 35 upon 37 plus 2, that will give you 35 upon 39 and the answer is 0.90. Now let's read sum number 3. Using the following frequency distribution of marks of students of a school, find range and relative range of the marks. So here relative range means coefficient of range we have to find in this sum. Here marks is given, number of student is given. You can see the data is given. It's a continuous frequency distribution sum. So in the initial class, if we see, the lower limit is 20 and it's the low value, lowest observation, and in the last class 70 to 80, the highest observation is 80. So here XL will be 20 and XH will be 80. So according to the formula of range XH minus XL, it will be 80 minus 20, 60 marks. Now we'll find the relative range, that is coefficient of range, and the formula is R upon XH plus XL, that is 60 upon 80 plus 20, that gives you 60 upon 100 and the answer is 0.60. So here we are done with the sum of ungrouped data, discrete data and continuous frequency distribution, and sum number 4 of exercise 4.1 will be your homework. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.